This elegant, one-level custom-built home has 3,680 square foot with an open floor that features nice moldings and tile floor throughout main level. 12 ceilings are in great room and entryway of the home. Large rooms makes wheelchair accessibility should that be a requirement of the buyers. Oversized laundry room has sorting and drying area. A separate office plus bonus room are amenities to the home. An oversized 2-car garage has a side entrance off the long concrete driveway. Tons of storage throughout. This home is great for entertaining with surround sound and additional speakers with volume control and great room, master bedroom, bathroom and back porch. Kitchen has quartz countertop and stainless appliances. Beautiful landscaping has extra lighting on timers. This residence was constructed to focus on energy efficiency where the dual heating and cooling system allows for very low utilities. Past 12 months utilities bills are available online. Spacious private rear deck.